Here we will write a Python program to display employee information using single inheritance with default constructor. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. So first we will define class employee. Here we are using default constructor, so we will define two variables, one for employee ID and other for employee name, and we will assign default value to it. Then we will define one method display with self. Here first we will display employee information, and then we will print employee ID and employee name. So print employee ID with self.eid, and then we will print employee name with self.ename. Then we will define another class employee info which inherits employee. Here we will print the value of department, designation and joining date for the employee. So we will define three variables, first department, then designation and joining date, and then we will define method display1. Here first we will call the base class method display with super keyword, and then we will print the information of department, designation and joining date. Then we will create object of our class employee info, and we will call the method display1 from that class. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will display employee information with employee ID, name, department, designation and joining date. Here we have defined the class employee as a base class, employee info as a derived class which inherits the employee class, and inside employee class we have defined the method display1 which calls the base class method display.